there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world. These are the words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam at the European Parliament, with which I would like to start off. Good afternoon. I'm Dhanusri from grade 7, studying at FIITJEE Global School, here to talk about how to make our neighborhood a better place for living with harmony and facilities for a brighter future generation. Most of us yearn for a sense of meaning or purpose in life, or maybe we just want to model altruism. Our efforts to make a better society may have a somewhat mixed record of success. Since there are many ways to do so, I would like to pick 4 pillars which I felt are important. Number 1, people's friendliness. Learning how to make a better relationship with people is very important, and we must change our attitude to help each other. We must respect the idea of helping each other, and we must respect the idea of another group of people. Number 2, environment friendly, saving resources. Water. We can talk about it all day. In simple words, save every drop. It's precious. Electricity. Saving electricity is very helpful for our environment and also saves our money. Fuel. Nowadays, everything is at an accessible limit. You know, I always use my cycle while I'm commuting around my society. This saves a very much amount of non-renewable resources, and it also makes me fit and happy. Number 3, cleanliness. We all should maintain our personal hygiene and cleanliness, which is equally important to us maintaining the environment we all live. The moment we feel it's ours, the reflexive action comes automatically. This helps in keeping our environment clean. Number 4, participation and volunteer. None of these ideas matter if we are not active in our communities. Participating involves voting, volunteering, or any other activity that contributes to the well-being of our community. We must take time to commit ourselves to whatever community we are a part of so we can make it better. We must participate with a joyous giving spirit and not with a sense of obligation. If we all work together to make our community better in respect to our talents, we certainly will have a better society. But we also have to get ourselves invested and involved. I saw a small motivational but very inspiring video called Lead India, about which I want to share with you all. It was a rainy day. The road was stuck with traffic due to a fallen tree on it. I hope we can all imagine the situation. People honking, quarreling, busy on their phone calls, blaming the corporation or the government. But none cared about the fallen tree, the situation they are in. All of a sudden, there was silence. A small school-going boy came out of the crowd and was trying to move the tree. And eventually, everyone joined, one by one, moved the tree, and the traffic was cleared. I'm only one person. What can I do? If everyone thinks that, nothing will get done. But if every person did just one thing to make a better place, billions of acts of kindness, social responsibility, and generosity will follow. I would like to end by saying, Be the person who always feels responsible, accountable, and lead the change to make a better society. Thank you.
Thank you, Dhanusri. That was a great speech.